Hi friends, it's Liz here. So today I'll be sharing the unboxing for the latest Your Creative Studio box. I'm also going to show you a fun quick project that I decided to make using book pages and some packaging. And then I'm also going to show you what I did with the last unboxing, some of the items that I used. So let's get started. Always, I will have links in the description box below, so you can check out Your Creative Studio, and I'll also link the last video of the unboxing so you can see the items that I had in that unboxing and what I used for the projects I'll be sharing in this video. I'm so excited about what I actually got to make as well. So these are stickers. I absolutely love their stickers. The last project that we had, sometimes, you know, the themes are a little bit difficult to think about what you're going to be using them for. So for me personally, I'm loving the birds right now. So the whole theme of the birds, and I believe there's also some butterflies papers in here as well, or some ephemera. So that's always perfect for most of the projects that I enjoy using. So this is a little booklet, and it comes with little pieces of tear out pages, which is really cute. And I'm already thinking I'll probably repurpose the cover and make like a mini journal with it. I really look at the colors here. They're just beautiful. Really love this one for sure. The kits usually include a stamp set, some washi tape, some stickers, some paper ephemera, and depending on the kit, you get some additional little pieces here and there. Some of the items, like these ones here, are exclusive to Your Creative Studio, so you wouldn't be getting these anywhere else except for their subscription boxes, and every month there's a different one, which I really love. So you can see here, these are the stamps, and there's a lot of stamps in this one, so that is really nice. And then these are the ephemera packs. And I always like to also think about ways that I can repurpose the packaging. If you haven't seen some of my previous videos, I usually show you either a project that I have made with the pieces or projects that I am thinking of making with some of the items in the box as well. So if you wanted to get some additional ideas, I will link some of those videos below. I'm really loving the faux postage stamps, and I like, again, the variety, the butterflies and birds. It's perfect for just about any project. And I'm thinking about making those embellishments that I made a little while back. I'll put the video up here, and they are you can attach them to ball pins, and they kind of have a lot of different little ephemera hanging from them, and I think I'm going to use those for that. These ones here are stickers. They look like little washi tape, and there's just different patterns on that, and it's really nice. And anything with tickets, I absolutely love the tickets, and I like that the color of the paper is different. So that's something that I'm always keeping an eye on as well. It's just different color of paper that I can use in my projects. So this one has many labels, and then tiny little images at the bottom of those labels, which you can tear away, which is really nice as well. And this one comes with a big pillow. Is that what they're called? Pillow boxes. Really nice and big. And then it has a variety of stickers. Now, initially, these stickers here, I thought that they were rub-ons, but I've been since told that they're just regular stickers that we would fussy cut around. And then you've got like different types of paper here. Like there's some tags with thicker paper, some sticker sheets, some thinner papers, thicker paper. So it's just a variety of textures of paper here, and then more of these really nice stickers that you would need to fussy cut out. So that's another nice set here as well. And it comes with a little bit of twine. So already, if you wanted to add that to some of the labels that, or the tags that come in here, that also works. And then you've got the stickers that are see-through. Is that what you call them? There's no white around them, so that's really nice. And then that is tissue paper. I didn't want to take it out because sometimes they get stuck on the plastic seal of the envelopes there, the plastic bags. And then this is the washi tape that comes with this one. I really, again, love it. It all goes together. It all coordinates nicely together, as you can see, and you can just make so many quick projects with this. Okay, so let me show you what I was inspired to make. Okay, so I thought I would share this really easy and fun project to make. I love to make these pockets to add ephemera or to send happy mail, and these are little extras that I like to add to my packages, and they're super easy to make. You take any book page or any size of paper that you want, and you fold them so that you have one piece that's a little bit over the other piece. As you can see here, I've just sort of made sure that I have a little bit more on one side than the other. I'll add glue to the bottom, which is going to be my pocket part, and then I'll just close the sides. And these are like really super quick and easy to make. I love using book pages for it because of course you get to repurpose book pages, and how many of us junk journal makers don't have a lot of these pages. We all have so many. And then of course it's a matter of decorating. After I've collaged a little bit, I'm also going to show you a nice little extra thing that I like to add to the bottom of it, just to give it a little extra kind of design to it, which I really like. And for this project, I'm also reusing packaging, which I also love to do. And of course, some of the pieces that came in the Your Creative Studio box are perfect for this project because it's got some of the stickers and the labels and the little washi tape style things. So I just love to repurpose those. So of course, you'll just watch me do this. I'm sure you've seen this before. If you are new to my channel, there are lots of tutorials that I share with all of you, and I will link those playlists below as well. So here you see all I've done to my piece of packaging, my brown packaging, is I've made sure I added those little, I guess, paper designs. I use my binding machine that I have, and I like to just add like a little bit of extra on a piece of paper. It just, I don't know, it just gives it a little something, right? So it's not just like a piece of packaging, but I've just added a little bit of design to it. And I'm just going to kind of not put this like straight. I like to put things sometimes on an angle, and you can see what I've done with these two here. And like I said, I'll finish a little bit more of the design in a little bit and show you what I'm doing. And then I'm also I'm really looking forward to showing you what I did with the last unboxing, and I will show you what I did, what I created with some of the pieces that were included in that subscription box. So I did want to mention, I have been a little bit slow in posting videos lately. I've been going to physiotherapy for my shoulder. It acts up from time to time, and I'm just trying to make sure that it does not get worse. At this point, going to my physiotherapy is helping. There's a lot of different exercises and such that I have to do to make sure that it doesn't get worse. But that also means that I can't craft as much as I would like to. And so crafting and all that fun stuff, I'm sort of limited to doing a lot less now because of it. And I don't know how many of you out there that are creators and crafters also have, issues with overall body aches and pains. But for me, it's a chronic issue. I don't know if I've shared that with you before, but I've had a chronic pain issue for a very long time. And I guess the last few years, I've discovered many things that are sort of related to it and connect with it. And I'm kind of being my own little investigator as to what's been happening all these years. So I don't know. I think it's something that I'm slowly trying to figure out based on the different specialists that I have seen and the different, diagnoses that they have given me. And so I'm kind of close to, I think, figuring out what the, what the biggest issue is that has caused all these chronic pain issues for me in the last, I'm going to say over 10 years. And that sort of limits me from, doing what I love the most, which is creating and crafting. So anyways, I'll give you more details about that if you want to hear about it in the near future. But that's the reason I haven't been filming as much in the last little bit. So here I'm just grabbing one of the little bird stamps that came in the kits, because I wanted to, you know, just kind of see how that stamp is. And as you notice, I'm not even grabbing my acrylic block or anything. I'm just using it as is. I think I angled it a little bit off, but that's also okay, because like I said, this is more like a fun piece that I like to add when I'm, you know, putting together a happy mail or flat mail to send to friends, or even after a sale in my shop. I like to fill these with additional extra goodies for the person receiving it, and I just really love like the little extra surprise that they can get in the little mail that I'm sending. That also reminds me, if you haven't joined my seen my channel, my video about my giveaway, I will link that one below. So here's a little extra that I said I was going to add. I love the little touch of this piece here, the staple that does not have staples. It just looks like I've stitched a little bit at the bottom, but it also helps with keeping it closed. And I think it just looks really, really nice. This is one of my favorite tools. I will link it below if you haven't seen it, and if you want to know where to find it. But I just want to share this quick and easy project, what I was inspired to make with the latest Your Creative Studio items. Let me show you what I did last time. I was so excited with that one as well. So I ended up making some greeting cards, and you can see how cute they turned out. I like that they're like a very sort of neutral color, but then when I added the bling to it, it gave it like a little bit more of a feminine look. So if you wanted to make a more masculine looking card, or more neutral, I should say, then, you know, you wouldn't add all the bling to it. But I love the background paper that I used for it. And then of course the seashell and the seahorse and the little sea star. Same with this one. It's kind of like a very neutral color, but I added a little bit of the bling, and I think it's just a perfect greeting card for just any occasion if you wanted to make a bunch of those with your last subscription box. I think I'll be making a few more for sure, and I'll add them to my next swap. If you haven't seen my video about my giveaway, it's still open, so check it out. I'll link it below, and that will help you join my swap list coming up very soon. I'm putting that together and trying to see if I can come up with a group swap for my subscribers. All right, thank you for joining me. I will have links to everything below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.